Student, myself Kher Singh from Chaudhary Academy. Today we will see class 12 subject BST chapter 2nd principles of management. Here we see techniques of scientific management. Those have been given by F.W. Taylor. So first one is functional foremanship. In functional foremanship that have been it is a very important techniques of scientific management that have been helpful for the particular industry. So here we see the factory manager. In this particular prospects we see overburden have been provided into the employees. Overburden means more work have been, more responsibility have been provided to the workers for production, planning and different types of other aspects. So in production in charge and planning in charge. In production in charge, speed boss, a person those have been complete work at timely and accurate completion of jobs will be fulfilled by the speed boss. Thereafter gang boss keeping machine and tool ready for operation. If any operation have been takes place thereafter, the gang boss must be keep ready for different types of machines and tools. Thereafter repair boss ensure proper working condition of machine and tool. If any machine have been any types of problem, so he can be repair, he can be complete that particular machines for the working condition. And inspector checking the quality of work, what types of work have been completed, that have been if any types of quality will be effective, or any low quality product that have been checked out by the inspector. Thereafter planning in charge. In planning in charge, instruction clerk can draft instruction for the workers. He can give the instruction to the worker that this type of work will be completed at a particular time period, or other types of instruction have been drafted. Route clerk have been specifying the steps of production, how many steps have been taken by the completion of the particular work or the production. Time and cost clerk will make the prepare time and cost sheet. A particular time and cost sheet can be prepared by the time and cost clerk. Disciplinaries, it is very important. If the discipline will not take place, thereafter it is very difficult for completing the work and other types of working completion. Ensuring discipline, so discipline must be very effective if all the people can know their own responsibility and they can do work effectively. Thereafter functional foremanship is an extension of principle of division of work. The work can be divided by the different person according to their own skills, on their own knowledge and on their talents. It aims to improve the quality of supervision at shop floor by putting workforce under 8 supervisor. They can be divided in some 4 have been categorized in production in charge, 4 have been categorized in planning in charge. So they can categorize, and on the main aim of more and more quality have been improved for the particular work. So planning is separated from execution. Production and planning that have been particular separation will be takes place. They have been separate, person have been categorized. This reduces the workload of workers. No doubt it will be reduces workload of the workers due to the different types of separations, and those have been helpful for the company due to their own skills and on their own particular efficiency. Okay, thank you very much.